ISE3D 101,017,001. Pro2 Plus 3D printer, dual extruder, fully enclosed. Born from the drive for absolute quality, the Pro2 Plus refines 3D printing for production-grade environments, upgrading and evolving traditional manufacturing. Dual extruder, electronic-driven lifting, 4 times increased torque performance, diverse filament compatibility, 300, right parenthesis. Massive build volume, 12x12x23, 8 minimum 0.01 mm layer height, filament sensor / camera / hepa filter, 7 touch screen, resume print after power outage, wireless compatibility, 32-bit motion control board, US-based tech support team, California. Please contact 888 963 9028 for any support-related questions. With 1 year limited. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.